What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Bag 'em Outdoors. Today we are on our way up to the Rainy River. Got word that it opened up yesterday. Most of it's still frozen, but we're gonna try it out and hopefully we catch at least some fish. I got my buddy Hale with me, and yeah, we're gonna try it out. Hopefully everything goes well. All right, so we're at the first access here. This is Frontier. Looks like the county is just opening it up. So we're gonna go to Birchdale because that one is apparently open, but yeah, I can see a couple boats here waiting for this one to open up. And yeah, main channel's all open, but right by the launch there. It's gonna take them a bit, so we don't really want to wait that long.
Actually caught a fish! Holy shit! And it's not a sucker! I beat last year!
All right, Hale with the first fish of the day.
Right, an 18?
Oh, I just had one.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice little walleye. Dude.
You need a sharper hook.
I do, dude. Is there even a hook on here? No, it's gone. What do you miss, like 7?
Bro just cast it like 5 times without an actual hook on his swim bait.
Thanks for the hook. This one might work a little better. I was like feeling him bite it, and I was like, huh. Must be small. I've actually had like 8 bites.
How long? There you go.
They do fight hard.
I know. Like, this is probably a fucking 18.
It's a nice one.
Oh yeah. Probably 20. Probably 22. That's a 22. 23. Worth the picture.
That hook set felt good.
Hey, that ain't a bad first fish of the year.
No. Yep. Alright, first walleye of the day for me. I actually had like 7 bites and I wasn't using a hook. I couldn't even notice, but yeah, this is probably like a 21, 22. For sure. That little guy. Awesome. Good way to go. Baby. That's a good one.
Where's your net in case we need one, or are we just grabbing?
Not a good one. And I say that and it's like a 17, 18. Dude, just choked it. Second walleye, 16, 17. Yeah. Alright, I'm not sure if my GoPro is recording or not, but we just got this 24-inch fatty. I think we were up to like 8 walleyes total now, so it's not pretty good. All plastic, so they're just hammered in. So we'll get this big girl back and catch some more fish. He's got the log.
Oh, he's a fucking whopper.
Shit, this thing kind of nice.
Fuck you, man. Okay, it's a VMC. It'll bend down. Oh. Nope.
Dude, we definitely could have got it. Oh, flip.
Fucking Alberto not failed me.
It's a nice walleye.
Do I need a leader even?
Probably like a 20. That thing fucking smoked it.
It's getting smoked.
Oh, it feels nice. Feels pretty nice. It's heavy.
Jesus Christ, what do you have?
I don't know.
Like nettable? Oh my god. Is that big?
It's like a 25.
Ain't small. Ain't both.
Look at that big wart he's got.
Oh. I got it. I wanted to do this for so long. Lift him!
Alright, another nice fish here. 25, pretty fat one. He's got some interesting warts there, but pretty nice for getting some nice fish this early in the year, so can't complain at all. Alright, this is walleye number 40 for me. Probably another 24 incher, so getting a lot of these guys out here. Definitely can't complain one bit. We're catching a lot of fish, we're catching quality too, so yeah, another perfect.
There you go.
That's a decent one.
Doubled up, baby.
I got a big one. Mine's like 26.
Oh, fuck, Jesus Christ. Here, hold him in the water.
Okay.
It's a nice fish.
He's like 25.
Here, I want to
Hold yours up for a double.
Oh yeah, just like a 25.
I want to get my hand wet. All right, another 25 inch. Big fat mama. That one's on, well, I had a plastic on there, but we're using 1/4 ounce jig head with like, honestly, any boot tail plastic. We're using the, if I can find the pack, here it is, just the normal Authentics plastics here. We were catching them on Kitex. Hale's tipping his with a minnow now, and that's helping a little bit, but honestly, they've been biting pretty good today. So we're fishing 8 feet of water, 9 feet of water. Hale's hooked up.
Good one.
Good one? All right, let's see what you got. Oh, that's a nice one, dude. Yep, big one. Imagine if we had a net. That would be too intelligent. I don't want to drop my phone. There we go. Another like 24, 25.
Right, 23.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're not recording anymore, but we're still catching a bunch of fish. Another probably 24, 25 inch. We've been getting a lot of these today, but yeah, just using plastics there. And I mean, where we're at now, there's just gotta be a ton of fish beneath us. So yeah, just another really nice one. Get it back, and been charging the GoPro battery, so I think we're up to like 60 some walleyes. So yeah, I'll get the GoPro back on, keep catching them.
Bye. Oh, little double.
Little double action.
Little double biggie combo.
Mine's decent. What you got, like a 16? Come on, bud. Couple walleyes. Sweet. This is 42.
Doubled up on the wing worm. Oh yeah. Why is mine growing? Why is mine getting significantly larger?
Nice little walleye there. Hale's got a nice one on too. What you got? You got a decent one. That thing is so fat.
Dark.
There we go.
There must be a
Little one. That's why. Sauger. My third sauger. Yeah.
Should I bolt flip this one?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
All right, we just got off the water. Ended with, let's see, 88 walleyes. So really good day. Everyone around us was catching them. It's not like we were doing really anything special. Everyone's pitching plastics. We saw boats catch them trolling too. Yeah, it was really on fire. The water seems to be pretty clear, probably about 3 feet clarity for the rainy. That's clear anyway. And yeah, if you're gonna get up here, I'd do it as soon as you can. This is the second day that there's been boats on the rainy, so it was pretty cool to get first blood. And yeah, it was a pretty good time. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and as always, remember to keep on bagging them.